I'm pretty thirsty. I'm parched. I'm going to grab one of the beverage and quench my thirst. Let's go and grab one. What about this one? This one looks pretty nice. Is this the real juice? I don't think so. Fanta. Okay, I think it's pretty smart. I'm going to grab this one. Buy this one to quench my thirst. Is it a good idea? I think so. Okay, let's go and get it. Guys, I'm pretty thirsty. I'm going to drink something and take a seat. Drink this. Wow, there's a stick. Fanta stick. Fantastic. God, this is fantastic. Okay, no matter where you are, I wish you have a fantastic day. Your partner is fantastic. Your wife is fantastic. Your hubby is fantastic. Okay, I'm going to drink it. Quench my thirst. It's a fantastic day. See you.